Good morning, everybody, and welcome to week 5 of Principles in Macroeconomics. I'm Professor Dr. Neil Armstrong. In week 5, we're going to be talking about externalities, types of goods, and firm behavior. This will be one of those things where we're starting to see kind of how different businesses can make a better life for themselves based on how they perform. Some businesses take advantage of knowing economics and others do not. And it's one of those things where economics can definitely help us understand kind of how the world works around us and basically how our reactions to things can really modify and really kind of help or hinder us from becoming better businesses, better business owners. And that can ultimately lead us to making more profit or less profit depending on our decisions. This week we're looking at chapters 10, 11, and 12. We have the PowerPoints for you guys right here. We have some videos, which I've definitely checked these out and see if they work, and it looks like all of them are working this week. And we've had one problem with that in week 3. So if you guys have any problems on that, please let me know. We also have, for assignments this week, we have 2 discussion board posts, an essay, and a short answer. So I'm going to go in there real quick. I'm going to post on my discussions in a minute. But the discussion board post for the first one is due on Wednesday. The initial post is due on Wednesday, and the additional posts are due by Sunday at midnight. And it's the same thing for discussion 2. Sometimes we do have those that kind of contradict those things. So be sure you have your post in on Wednesday, initial post, and then the additional post by Sunday at midnight. We also have week 5 essay, which will have topics that really address these in 2 pages or so. And we also have the Unit 5 short answer assignment here. And those are our assignments for the week this week. I look forward to seeing what you guys post. I really enjoyed talking through price caps and really trying to see kind of how things work in that. And thankfully we all kind of see head to head on that usually because it's one of those things where if people aren't not going to make a profit, they're not going to provide a service. So an example of a gas station, if they can't charge enough to make a profit off the gas, then they will not supply the gas, which will ultimately lead to a shortage and either make us not be able to drive anywhere, or the government will have to go in there and up their price cap to something more reasonable for the gas owners. So those are all thoughts that are running through my head. If you guys have any questions, need anything, please let me know. Otherwise, I'll see you in the discussion boards. Thanks, and have a great day.